Welcome back to Scotty's Hobbies. Real quick, I get a lot of people just asking for the lug nut torque specifications on vehicles. I'm not sure why, but I get that question a lot. So today we're covering on a Kia Niro, the 2019 to 2022 year models. Now you might be wondering where I get my torque specifications from, and let me show you real quick. The Motor Guide book, Brake Specifications Guide, gives me all the helpful information I need to perform a brake job properly, which includes the lug nuts. When you are tightening up lug nuts, you want to tighten them up in a star pattern, never in a circle pattern, or a cross pattern, never in a circle pattern. You want to make sure that that wheel is nice and flush up against the hub and the rotor, just to ensure no vibration down the road, and to make sure that that wheel is nice and flush evenly up against the hub and the rotor. If you need a complete step-by-step directions tutorial on how to perform a front brake job on this vehicle, look for a link in the description below or in the first comment, and I'll provide that link to you. Has everything you need to get a front brake job done on that vehicle. You always want to make sure that you tighten up your lug nuts in a star pattern or a cross pattern, never in a circle pattern, just to ensure that the wheel is nice and flush, flat up against the hub and the rotor, just to make sure you don't have any vibrations later on down the road, and it's best practice. When I'm tightening up lug nuts, I like to snug them up while the vehicle's in the air and then torque them down while the vehicle is on the ground. The lug nut torque specification on your Kia Niro is 80 to 94 foot-pounds, somewhere in that window. I'd shoot for right in the center of that window or more towards the ladder, just to make sure that these lug nuts are properly tightened down. Again, 80 to 94 foot-pounds on the lug nuts on your Kia Niro. If this video helped you out, comment below with the year, make, and model of the vehicle that did help you on. Hit that like button right now. Check out the video library for a lot of other helpful videos. Tell everybody about Scotty's Hobbies, and I will see you guys on the next, hopefully helpful video.